Lippy, my next follow-up question with you is, in the last few months, what new belief, behavior, or habit have you most improved as an individual, as a person, as an artist, as a celebrity, as a podcaster, as an anchor?
Okay, so I believe that I've given a lot of importance to physical fitness, but as we all know, it goes with my sort of industry, right? Being physically fit is a given thing. But at the same time, I've really understood, Aditya, the importance of mental health as well. Which I never understood so far, So whether it's counseling, whether it's therapy, the importance of these things I've completely understood in the last two pandemics. And I've stopped being a people's person. You also tend to become a people pleaser, Aditya. So I was one of those, and I won't deny that. But I think after these two lockdowns, I've completely stopped pleasing people for sure. I'm like, if you want to stay in my life, great. If you don't wish want to, that's absolutely fine. So I've really literally stopped running after people, even if it's my closest friend. And I feel that okay, I am the one who's sort of trying to keep in touch. I'm the one sort of trying to call every 10 days, but the सामने से effort नहीं आ रहा है. Then I've stopped sort of messaging and texting. And I feel it's very important, right? The filtration process in your life is so important. No wonder that people say that as a kid you have 40 friends, and as you grow up you end up with only four friends, and by the time you're on deathbed you end up with two friends. So I completely understand now that why this happens and why people used to say this, because I was somebody who wanted to have biggest of the birthday parties with 30 people, and everybody around me when I'm cutting the cake. So all those things were very important, but not currently, honestly speaking. I've given importance to mental health, and I've stopped running after people. These are the two things that I've been following, and trust me, Aditya, these things are really helping me. My life has changed in last 2 years, which I can't also believe that how.
So, Lippy, do you have a personal counselor, therapist for yourself?
So I did take therapy for 2 months, but I think I mean, even she feels that I'm fit and fine now. So for now, I'm not taking therapy. But yes, I mean, if at all there is an issue, I feel low in my life, I would love to get back to her.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is something which I really wanted Lippy to share. As personally, I also have my own therapist and counselor with whom I have got regular session. And what Lippy really mentioned was the importance of mental health. Stop impressing people around you, start expressing yourself. For the people who regularly watch me, one of my intention with coming out with everyday video on my story, reels, and highlight was, whenever we meet someone after a break, the first question is, okay, what's going on in your life? How can we avoid that awkward conversation? It's just that how are we in touch with other people? You, we are all using smartphone, but are we smart enough to stay in touch, stay connected? Like Lippy, we haven't met, right? We haven't met physically.
Absolutely,
Okay,
yes.
it's
Physically, we've not met yet. It's been virtual.
and it's only through our digital presence that we have this natural rapport with each other. And
Absolutely.
and if this thing is going to be the future, then what is stopping people from investing in themselves and investing in a therapist counselor? Like, one of the things which I have seen is, one of the things which is really discounted is in investing in our personal development lifestyle. Like, Lippy, I also discussed this with you, and we had a brainstorming session that why do people hesitate? Because I do remember you were like this, that Aditya, people do come to me for public speaking, but I'm very much clear and reserved because I have my calendar packed. I do not take bulk. I just take one or two people with whom I work over 90 days, and that's it. Because I have got my other commitment, and this is my way of giving back what I have learned. Because
Oh,
people do not realize that investing in a counselor, therapist, trainer, mentor is for your own good. So, thank you, Lippy, for acknowledging the fact that if we do not invest now, then later on it might be late. Thanks, Lippy. So,
true. And since you
Lippy,
mentioned about awkward conversations, Aditya, so just saying that my course also has a chapter on art of conversation, which actually covers these things, that how to avoid, awkward conversations. Because whenever I used to be on stage and on stage, of course, it's just me and the event manager having coordinations. But the moment I get off from the stage, I see so many people, that they were looking at me from some corner, and they are like, they have this eye on me, and they're like, अच्छा इसको जाके compliment दूँ क्या? And they're like, अच्छे से बात हो सकती है. I can sense it, कि वो 10 feet दूर खड़े हैं, मुझे देख रहे हैं, but they just have this, like you said, they just have these, I don't know what do you call, what's the right word, but they just have this feeling कि क्या मैं इससे बात कर सकती हूँ. एंड फिर मैं ही सामने से चली जाती हूँ, आई एम लाइक, हेलो मैम, आप मुझे कब से देख रहे थे, डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग? एंड शी लाइक, हाँ बेटा, आई जस्ट वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू कि आपने बहुत अच्छा शो किया है. You see, so these are awkward conversations with strangers that you have to think twice, thrice before doing. And hence I did add this particular module as well, which is called Art of Conversations in my course as well.